I think I see my house from here.
That was really good.
Yeah, you like that?
Yeah. So maybe if we have clear skies, you can see those galaxies.
You can see it
All the galaxies.
Yeah. If you know, that's like a pretty high-powered telescope, right?
Oh yeah.
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 So yeah, big telescope gal, Cameron over there. Yeah, we will have some pretty clear skies overnight. So if you want to use your less powerful telescope to take a look at some of the night skies, then be my guest. Go ahead and go for it. Temperatures this midday in the 70s and 80s, low 80s already for Montague and for Mount Shasta City, mid 50s along the coast there in Curry County. Let's go ahead and show you what happens with the smoke a little bit later today, and you'll see that there are really two areas of smoke we'll be paying attention to. The smoke right around the flat fire and then the smoke from the bedrock fire. Now, by the time we get to 5 p.m., a lot of this smoke is still going to be immediately downwind of the fires, but that'll change as we get that northwest push in winds this evening. And overnight into the beginning of Thursday, you can see a lot of very thick smoke in southern Curry County, maybe even into southern Josephine County. So we'll keep a very close eye on air quality metrics in Cave Junction and O'Brien and Selma. Also, there will be some pretty thick smoke in Del Norte County, extreme western Siskiyou County. And then for northern Klamath County and much of Lake County, just like it's been the past couple days now with these two fires and the daily cycle in the winds. And the cycle for tomorrow is going to be the same. We'll track some thick smoke in those same areas. So for today, for the rest of us in areas not immediately downwind of the fires, we'll just have some pretty light haze. High temperatures will be right around average for the second day of August, which means we'll be in the low 90s to the east of the Cascades. Low to middle 90s for west side valleys, and much cooler along the coast in Curry County, where the marine layer is going to be very strong today, which will make us much cooler, and also it'll make us just much gloomier and grayer because of all the clouds we'll have along the coast. Winds today will gust mainly out of the west. We could see a variation of that from microclimate to microclimate, but for the most part, they'll come out of the west, gusting between 20 to 25 miles per hour for the Shasta Valley, for the Rogue Valley, and for areas along the coast in Curry County. Then for tonight, like you saw in the smoke forecast, we'll have two different areas of smoke. But other than that, we should have pretty clear skies, which means that it will be, after all, some pretty good stargazing weather out there, especially in those rural areas where you don't have to deal with light pollution. But temperatures overnight, upper 40s to the east of the Cascades, near 60 for our west side valleys, low 50s along the coast in Curry County. And our forecast gets definitely a lot more interesting into tomorrow, as there will be the chance throughout the day for some pop-up showers and thunderstorms in Lake County. Most of this is going to be in Harney County, but a few of those thunderstorms could sneak over into Lake County. And because of that, we have a fire weather watch that's in place for not just Lake County, but for Klamath County. And it's not just for Thursday, it's for Thursday and Friday, as there will be the chance for an abundance of lightning, dry lightning over very dry fuels, and that'll pose a big risk as it pertains to fire weather impacts. So we'll track lightning in the forecast through Sunday. Also, we'll get much hotter as we head into Sunday and Monday. So lots of moving parts to this forecast. We're heating up. We're going to have some extreme fire weather from Thursday through Sunday. I forgot to show that graphic, but yes, extreme fire weather impacts for Klamath County and Lake County for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And fuels will also be very dry in Siskiyou County. So lots to take in over the next 7 days. Here's a 7-day forecast for the coast. Winds coming out of the north. That'll put a lot of that thick smoke from the flat fire into southern Curry County, also into southern Josephine County. Then for Siskiyou County, we'll have a chance for showers and storms for Friday and Saturday. For the basin, that'll be Thursday through Sunday. And again, that's what's prompting the extreme fire weather impacts. For the mountains, we'll also track the same risk from Thursday through Sunday. But for the Rogue Valley, it looks like we'll mainly go without the thunderstorms, but still we'll be tracking the heat as we head into the weekend, but especially at the beginning of next week.